Hello everyone and welcome to this video. It's about time I do a unboxing video of the Nokia advanced headphone, the HS-62. Try my best not to damage the headphones, since these headphones are going to be a gift to my little brother. Anything else in here? Oh my god, they are cracked. Oh. So that was the jiggling sound in the box. Oh my god. Wait, huh? Oh, it goes like this and this. Well, I know what we're going to fix today, but is this detachable? No, it's not. Now, I'm going to have to open the second box as well, because I'm a bit afraid of what I'm going to find in there. Yeah, definitely this one is also cracked. And it's not the seller's fault, so I can't complain. And not to mention pretty long. Oh, what's this, a meter? 2 meter? Yeah, the headphone designer is awesome, actually. What's this do? Oh! This is how it looks. Awesome. Let me try them first. And I'm back with my trusty friend here. No, wait. I haven't held it for a while and I forgot. Yes, it's a headphone, sorry. The maximum volume. These cushions are very soft, like them. Well, yeah. The headphones are awesome, well, except for the fact that it's cracked here. But, you know me, I'm gonna try and fix them. Good, I have video content. Okay, you know what? Let's fix them. Right, so let's get to work then. This is falling apart easy. This is the second one. Did any of you had this headphones? Were they that sensitive? Wait, what? It's also glued, apparently. Okay, so this is the part with problems. I'm gonna take this away from here and use my full concentration on these things. So this was to be put here with that small part, and this should be here. Okay, actually it's not that bad. Yeah. I'm going to rely on this glue since it holds that body shell so well. Yeah. Hope for the best now. I don't mind if the paint gets damaged on this side since I'm going to paint it also. Now I'm also going to do a bit of exaggeration and fill this thing up with glue. Just to make sure that it won't happen again, you know. Huge exaggeration. This might take until tomorrow for it to dry, but I think it will be worth it. I'm gonna put a bit here as well. I already need a new one, seriously. Alright. So I'll have to let this piece dry, and after that I can do some sanding and preparing it for paint. Until then, it's going to stay and dry as it should be. Well, I'll come back to this in some time. So I have to just prepare this because it's dried now. Have to prepare it for paint it, and that's kind of it. And this is how it looks after I sand it with water. Now all I have to do is give it a primer, paint, and that's it. Well, I also painted it. It's not perfect, but it's better than nothing. Time to put them back together like a big happy family. I'm not going to tighten it too hard for it to snap again, you know. Okay, it appears to be great. Now this guy. Nothing I can do about that now, but I looked at it a bit and it doesn't appear to be a problem too much, so I'm gonna just open it like this. Yeah, this is some frail plastic, not gonna lie. Seriously, are you trolling me? There we go. Oh, something like this, okay. I'm happy that there aren't any cables in them. Now, maybe I'm crazy. In my opinion, it was either a transportation problem, maybe the whole lot got dropped and the headphones absorbed the shock, or the screws were tightened too hard, because that can also happen. Well, they appear to be in one piece, holding good. I'm going to test them out a bit, and after that I'm going to give them to my little brother as a gift. Of course, I'm going to let him know that I fixed them. Yeah. So, thank you very much for watching. This was the unboxing video and unexpected repair video of the headphones. The advanced headphones HS-62 by Nokia. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. Maybe subscribe. I really appreciate that. And I see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself. Bye bye.